Hey guys, it's Skylar here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on iPhone. I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is the default one, the second way is customizable one. So let's start. Let's start with the default way of taking a screenshot on iPhone. In order to do that, we need to press the power button that is on the right side and the volume up button that is on the left side at the same time. Once we do this, as you can see on the screen right now, the screenshot is taken and we can resize it and take only the part of the screen if we want, or full screenshot of entire screen. Once you get what you need from the screenshot, you just simply click in the right top corner, confirm button, and you can save it to Photos files or to Quick Note. So let me save it to Photos. And that was basically the first way the screenshot was already taken. Now, if we would like to customize it because it's difficult for us to press at the same time the power button and the volume up, there is another way to take a screenshot. In order to do that, we need to go to Settings, then go to Accessibility, and over here on the list we need to find Touch and scroll down until we see Backtap. It's the second from the bottom. So we click on Backtap. And over here, we have two options, double tap and triple tap. That means that if we simply tap our phone 2 times or 3 times, some action will be activated. So if we click on triple tap, as we can see, there are many different actions available on the list over here. We can export to PDF as PNGs and other shortcuts that we have available, scroll up, scroll down, and many other actions. So if we want to take a screenshot when we tap 3 times on the back of our phone, we just choose from the list screenshot and we go back. So as you can see, for me, triple tap means screenshot. So now I'm gonna go back to the main screen. And now if I'm gonna tap 3 times, as you can see, the backtap was detected and the screenshot was automatically taken and saved. So I'm gonna tap again 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, the backtap was detected and screenshot was taken. So this is the second way. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer, which one is the most comfortable for you. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.